What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today, I have for you a big box good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the Nike men's Venture runner shoes I picked up at Dick's Sporting Goods for $69.99. Out of 5 stars, these shoes get 4 out of 5 out of 4 customer reviews. Here in front of us today we have black, crimson, but they do also come in 2 other colorways, gray, white, black, and white, royal black. This shoe does range in between sizes 7 and 13 and comes in a shoe width of medium D. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and a first impressions to see how good this shoe fits. I did find this at Dick's Sporting Goods like I mentioned previously. It did catch my eye and has a really nice suede finish to it, which kind of caught my attention. I have actually never owned a pair of suede shoes before, or sort of like an Alcantara type material on the shoe. So these will be interesting to try on and see how they fit. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing and first impressions, and be sure to stick around till the end of the video so I can show you just how well they fit on my feet. Okay, so as you can see here, we've got the Nike men's Venture runner shoes. As you can also tell by the box, they are engineered for all day, everyday comfort. So these are a pretty nice pair of casual sneakers. And as we go ahead and just lift off here, I actually do have a pair of socks that I'm gonna try on with these shoes, but for the most part, here are the shoes right on top. And as you can see, like I said, they're this very stylish sort of suede Alcantara. There's actually some sort of nylon on the front here. It's kind of a mesh material, but it's actually soft. It's not coarse like mesh, which is a little bit different, which makes the shoe sort of appear to be really comfortable and supportive and pretty lightweight and efficient, I would say. This is a very good looking shoe. Like I said, it did catch my attention. There is also a white, royal blue, black pair that I was also super interested in finding, but unfortunately they did not have them at my Dick's Sporting Goods. That would have probably been the color to go with had they had that option. And then last but not least is the second shoe here in the box. As you can see, I did get them in an 11.5. You can definitely see the size down in there. You do get a really nice padded tongue here. It's just a pretty basic insole. I've actually felt better from other shoes. If we actually go ahead and take a look at the bottom of the shoe, as you can see here, it's just pretty basic tread. You just get some square nodules towards the front here, and at the back you get a pretty much sectioned off heel stomp area, and you get that Nike check in the middle there. This sort of reminds me of like an Adidas shoe, maybe. Nike may have pioneered this design, but like I said, I think this is a pretty classic design actually. You get this really nice Nike check and sort of a soft leather suede material here. It's kind of hard to make out what exactly material they're using for the Nike check, but just great character here with this sort of neon orange going against this gray, black, and white. Like I said, you sort of get this nylon sort of mesh. It's kind of cushiony underneath this Alcantara here, and underneath this sort of white leather check mark here. You can see that sort of neon orange wrap around the back of the shoe, and then you get a neon orange sort of pull tab here. Also, the stitching carries around all the way to the heel. Everything just looks really phenomenal here. This shoe would actually look pretty plain and sort of ordinary had you not had these suede patches around the back stitch to the shoe itself. Just imagine removing these gray suede pieces here and just having the black mesh and the white sole and the black tread. Now that we've done the unboxing and the first impressions of the Nike Venture runner shoes, let's go ahead and try them on and see how they fit. Okay, so like I said previously, these are a pretty classic style of men's running shoe or athletic shoe. I think you could look at them that way. I wouldn't necessarily go for a run in these. I think you might just be better off wearing them with a pair of shorts and around town. for the most part, they're really comfortable. And as you can see here, I'm just wearing a pair of shorts and just an ankle sock here, a gray ankle sock, and it actually looks pretty great with this outfit. I mean, I think you could pretty much wear these with anything. Let's go ahead and walk around in them momentarily. They're actually really comfortable. They're kind of springy to walk in, so maybe you could run in them possibly. I actually feel like these are extremely supportive. A little bit narrow maybe. Maybe my foot is a little bit wide, or maybe these shoes just run a little bit narrow, but sometimes I feel like I am going to tip over, if that makes any sense. I don't feel entirely planted. I feel like I'm walking on kind of a narrow beam, if that makes any sense. Out of 5 stars, these shoes get 4 out of 5 out of 4 customer reviews. They do come in 3 different colorways. This is sort of a black, white, gray. They come in an all gray, and they come in a black, white, blue. It's predominantly blue. They're a very nice looking shoe. In fact, at the beginning of the video, I did say that if they had blue, I probably would have picked them over this color, but over the gray color, which they did have, I definitely chose this pair. So for me, it would have been blue, this color, which is sort of a gray, black, white, and then last but not least, the gray. Anyway, you saw me do the unboxing and first impressions and try it on at the end of the video. What I can say is it's a little bit too narrow for my foot. It's just a little bit too tight at the top of the foot for me. You do have a nice spring to your step when you do walk around in these. They're very comfortable and very flexible, and also lightweight. Like I said, they're very stylish. This is a very classic look. They could pretty much go with anything you dress them up with. But like I said, you know, I did pick these up in an 11.5. I would probably have gone for a 12. For $69.99, I don't think you can go wrong. You're getting a great style here, a lightweight, durable design. As you can see here, they're just a very simple but classic looking shoe. Anyways, guys, my name is John. Because I picked up these Nike Men's Venture Runner shoes at Dick's Sporting Goods, that does make them a big box good. I hope you enjoyed that unboxing and first impressions. If you want to see more content like this, hit that like, subscribe. Thank you so much again for tuning in. My name is John. I will see you in the next one.